this is the website ontario.ca, and here on this website the link will be there in the description. Just don't get into any scam. This is Ontario Taxpayer Rebate. So you see this link, this is the link. Once you come here, you'll be able to see the status of the $200 tax rebate which you will be getting, what its current status is. So once you're on this page, come down and you see here scam alert. Government of Ontario will only contact you directly in response to a question or query about rebate you initiated. It will not proactively contact you by text, email or phone to ask social insurance number, offer you money or reward, sign up for rebate program. So in this case, this $200 tax rebate which is coming, you don't have to do anything. It will get initiated and it will come to you by mail. So once we come down here, check your address and rebate status. This is the link where you can check, and this will be issued. You see here the amount you will be issued for both adult and child payment. So in case child is linked to an adult, then both of it will come to your name. Your current mailing address on file, this has to be updated always. If your check has already been mailed or is about to be mailed, so you will get to see the status here. You can also call up Service Ontario for any question, but it's going to take a little wait time before anyone can answer. Again, make sure you are on the right website to check the status. Now, once you click here, check my address and rebate status, you will come to this website. So you see here, track my Ontario Taxpayers Rebate, estimation time to complete 5-10 minutes, and you can only check your status. Before you track your Ontario Taxpayer Rebate, you will need account login. If you have not created the account login, you'll have to create the account login, then your last 4 digit of social insurance number, your date of birth and postal code of mailing address you used in your CRA tax return. So this is the notice of information collection. Once you continue, if you don't have the account, you'll have to go and create one. If you already have, then you can sign in using the email and password. If you have to create an account, you click here, you'll enter your email address, then this is the password requirement. Once you have set this up and created account, you will get a verification code to your email ID. You'll have to enter the verification code here. Check your email for the verification code and enter the verification code here. Once you verify, you will come to this page, which is the account registration page. Step 1, accept terms, profile detail, and then renewal reminders, which are optional. Once you click on continue, this is the notice of collection page. So you can go through this, come down, click on I accept. Then here you will fill the profile detail, that is first name, middle name, last name. So once these are required, you see first name and last name. Once it is entered and you continue, this is sign up for renewal reminder, which is optional. So here you have various products: driver's license, license plate. You come down, health card, Ontario photo card. So you can choose any one for the reminder, and anytime renewal comes, you will be reminded. You can select more than one if you want, and then how you want to be reminded: text message, automated phone call or email. So right now you can see I have selected email, and then I am entering driving license to be reminded for. Once the detail is entered, come down and then click on submit. Based on your selection, again, you will be asked to confirm on your email, for which you have 24 hours. Once you have confirmed, come down, you will get this message: your account has been created. Continue to check my rebate status. On this page, there are 3 details you will be entering, which was shown at start. Your SIN number, so last 4 digit will be entered here. Date of birth in this format, year, month and day, and then the postal code which was used in tax return. So once all 3 are done, you click on search. So you see here this tax rebate check status is shown, and you will be able to see the payment type, check amount, status. So in my case, it shows pending, and I will have to call them, give some specific input. It could be the mailing address confirmation or something like that. And once that is done, the check will get processed. In case you're seeing it is already in progress, then you need not do anything. And as it was shown earlier, be aware of scams, what is happening. You have to call only this number, what is shown here, find any status on this in case you get status like how it is shown here. So guys, that's it.